Okay, in this video, I'm going to show how to SSH into a guest Linux system from your Windows host. First of all, let's select one of our virtual machine, then go to Setting to set up the network. Okay, in the Setting window to select Network, the default adapter 1, I think the default is network address translation. So we keep that one. Click this advanced tab and make sure select this check cable connected and port forwarding. In here, you do not have this one line, so you add a line. Keep the protocol is TCP host IP. Select you type in 127.0.0.1 host port, put into 2222, guest IP left blank, and guest port keep this 22, type into 22. So after you put this row, click OK. So we set up the network and translate the IP address and forwarding the IP address from port from the port 2222 to 22. Okay. Network, click OK. So we complete the network setup and then turn on your machine. Okay, after system startup, so log in yourself. Okay, let's open a terminal. First, let's look at the IP address. You see here, the localhost is 127.0.0.1. There is another network is here, it's 10.0.2.15. This is bridge to 10.2.255. Okay, we know this is here the localhost. Okay, the IP, the network is connected. Let's see, look at the network setting. To see the network setting is here. This is the IP address that is the DNS that is come from my Windows machine router. Here is a DHCP that is the default. So we know this is the default setting. So we do not change anything. We just go ahead to turn off that one. The default installation does not have SSH server installed. So we are going to apt install open SSH. Give password. In my case, you see here, I already installed. If your default installation, after you type this command, you are going to install the server. The next step is to start the service. So we need to do sudo system control start SSH. And also we need enabled service in the future. Okay, we can change the status. Okay, server is up and running. So this is the server is ready. Let's open PuTTY. We type 127.0.0.1. The port we set it up is 2222. So this is the host, this guest host and the port is going to use 2222 to forward. So let's open. You see you are in the guest machine. Password. Okay, I'm in. So let's see. You see that is myself. Host name. This is a VirtualBox. San Fran VirtualBox. Okay, you see here. This is the San Fran VirtualBox. That is your guest machine. Okay. Another way you may want to use WinSCP. That is graphic interface for the SFTP. If you install WinSCP, you can open this WinSCP application. Okay, you can create a new. Here, host ID 127.0.0.1. The port gave 2222. Login. You can put your Linux guest username, password. Let's look at the desktop. You see the desktop has access to the tag resources PPT. So that is the guest. Here is your desktop. So let's see. You see my guest. The desktop has access the tag resources. So you can drag and drop into your Windows machine. Okay. That is way how to SSH into your guest machine from your Windows host. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.